kill you. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
I'm not. Hi.
Rock. You freaking rock.
Move too fast.
Freaking rock. Freaking rock.
That's bad for me.
Hey, you gotta stop.
Is it sad that I was gonna carve a penis out of cantaloupe?
That'd be awesome.
Dude, I was gonna do it, but like, you know how there's like
the
the middle part?
hollow
Yeah, I was like,
do it out of watermelon.
it breaks too easy.
That's true.
I'll need to find something else, like a honeydew. Do those have the middle?
Yeah, they do. What about honeybees?
What's a fruit that does not have the hollow middle that's still hard? Because I need to carve a penis out of it.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Make it out of wood.
No, God,
Make it out of
be able
pork.
to eat it.
Make it
I
out
was
of
gonna
pork.
go on a trip with my friend and be like,
Banana.
Listen, make it out of pork and then cook it. And then you can eat it.
no, but I was gonna make a cantaloupe penis.
Make it out of ice.
But I need another fruit that doesn't have.
Make it out of human penis.
No.
Exhibit
I
A.
don't know.
Yeah, take it.
That's tiny.
I know, that's what I was going to say. There's not much to work with.
Hi. 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 Hi.
Funny.
Oh, I missed it. I didn't show you grabbing her boob.
Aww. That's so exciting. Hi. Hi. Hi.